Artificial intelligence. It's a term that sparks both wonder and apprehension. What is it exactly? At its core, AI is the quest to create machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. The roots of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century, a time when the seeds of computer science were just beginning to sprout. Visionaries like Alan Turing and John McCarthy dared to imagine machines that could mimic the cognitive abilities of the human mind. Today, AI is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the algorithms that power our social media feeds, AI is subtly but undeniably reshaping the world around us. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve at an astonishing pace, it promises to revolutionize industries, redefine the nature of work, and unlock solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. The journey of AI is a testament to human ingenuity. It reflects our relentless curiosity to understand the intricacies of intelligence, both biological and artificial. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, we embark on a thrilling adventure with profound implications for the future of our species. The story of AI is still being written, and we are active participants in its unfolding chapters.
At the heart of artificial intelligence lies a powerful engine machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to learn from data without explicitly programming every single step. That's the essence of machine learning. It's like giving a machine a massive puzzle and letting it figure out the patterns and rules on its own. There are three primary approaches: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like having a teacher guide the machine. We feed the algorithm labeled data, telling it, this is a cat, this is a dog. Unsupervised learning lets the machine explore data without labels. It's like giving the machine a jumbled box of Legos to figure out. Reinforcement learning is like training a dog with rewards and punishments. The algorithm learns through trial and error, adapting based on feedback. Machine learning drives many AI breakthroughs. It powers image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Unlocking machine learning's potential opens doors to endless possibilities.
Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to science fiction. It has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, often without us realizing it. One common example is recommendation systems. These algorithms analyze our behavior to suggest products, services, or content. From personalized e-commerce recommendations to curated music playlists, AI enhances our digital experiences. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are powered by AI. They use natural language processing to understand voice commands and provide assistance. AI's applications extend beyond the digital realm. In healthcare, AI develops diagnostic tools and personalizes treatment plans. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality, revolutionizing transportation. AI is transforming industries like finance, education, and entertainment.
As artificial intelligence continues its rapid ascent, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the ethical implications that accompany its rise. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Since these algorithms learn from data, they can inherit and even amplify existing biases present in the data they're trained on. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another ethical challenge is the issue of privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively, and this raises concerns about the collection, storage, and use of personal information. Striking a balance between leveraging the power of AI and safeguarding individual privacy is paramount. We must ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that respects fundamental human rights and values. Beyond bias and privacy, AI also presents broader societal challenges. As automation increases, there's a growing concern about job displacement and the need for workforce retraining. Furthermore, the development of autonomous weapons systems raises profound ethical questions about the future of warfare and the role of human judgment in life or death decisions. It's imperative that we engage in thoughtful and inclusive discussions about the ethical implications of AI, involving stakeholders from various disciplines, backgrounds, and perspectives. By proactively addressing these challenges, we can harness the transformative power of AI while mitigating its potential risks, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity.